Of us are wondering if we will see any snow this weekend, if any at all. What can you tell us?
Yeah, many areas already seeing that snow, and the snow has returned as we take a live look outside on the CorwinAuto.com Valley Skycam, part of the Storm Team Skycam network. You can see some of that snow falling through the lights there. Roadways at this point just wet, but they could become slick as temperatures hover around 30 degrees. Right now, 31 degrees with that light snow falling. Feels more like 24. Winds out of the east at 7, 30 degrees over in Moorhead. It looks a whole lot different up in Grand Forks. Take a look at this. Snow continues to fall there. All the roadways covered. 29 degrees, feels more like 19. Winds out of the east at 13. Temperatures elsewhere, 23 in Langdon, 27 Valley City, Jamestown, also 27. Thief-River Falls, Roseau, Bemidji, and in Wadena. Winds out of the east and southeast, and they're about 5 to 15 miles per hour with some occasional stronger gusts. Wind chills as cold as 9 in Langdon, 15 in Valley City, 19 up in Grand Forks. A lot of cloud cover out there, and underneath those clouds, two main bands of snow, one off towards the south and one off towards the north. In between, it's starting to fill back in. That's why we're seeing the snow here in the Fargo-Moorhead area. Very heavy snow where you see the whites in between Sisseton and Watertown. Still some very difficult travel conditions down in this area. Off toward the north, also some slick conditions. There's been reports of cars that have been sliding off the road at the Mayville exit along I-29, and some pretty decent snow is falling all the way from Maddock through Devil's Lake over towards the Grand Forks area and points off towards the east. Many areas where it has been snowing reporting snow-covered roads and very slick conditions. Adding insult to injury, freezing drizzle being reported out here, and some of that activity may slide off to the east as well. Across the national map, that snow stretches all the way over to parts of Wisconsin. Severe weather, parts of severe thunderstorm watch remain for Arkansas and in northwest Mississippi. For us, as we head through the rest of the night, the southern band continues and then gets on out of here, and then a brief break in the action before we start to see more snow make its way through the northern valley, and some of that could be moderate to briefly heavy as it makes its way off towards the east. Warmer temperatures in the southern valley may change some of that snow over to rain briefly before ending. Snow amounts, again, 2 to 5 across the north, 2 to 6 across the south. And when you've got that very heavy band, you could see local amounts well over half a foot, maybe 1 to perhaps 1.5 inches from Fargo over into Lakes Country. Winter weather advisories continue across the north and south through tomorrow morning. Here in Fargo, we'll start off the day with maybe a few flurries around, temperatures in the low 30s. Not much of a warm up by lunchtime, mid 30s, and later on in the day, could see some raindrops, maybe mixed with a few flakes of snow. Picture of the day, a gorgeous shot of snowy road in Hackensack, Minnesota. Thanks so much to Jesse for sending that. I'm going to use that as the backdrop to our 7-day forecast. And it's going to be a snowy time, but especially across the northern valley, snow maybe mixed with rain across the south. Snow showers on Sunday, temperatures falling all day, cold Monday and Tuesday. And again, if you're headed to Brookings tomorrow morning, you'll want to check those road conditions before heading out. Some very tough travel there right now, and maybe a bit better by tomorrow morning, but check ahead before you head out the door.
Yeah, especially those road conditions. And then you can check anytime on your Valley News Live Storm Team weather.